You know right, assassinate. Airport and Timaya. Moja nananum shegu edigu on my eye.
It's here for me mobi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Abrantia Endra yede ne ho nsem bebre eba Abesim ye ko hu se nipa eti ehyehyɛ ne fridge mu no. Ohini a wo kronim aba abonte aba bekasa na to be very frank. Nsem a wo hene no aka no I don't know, I am not understanding. But yengo ti ohene ne nsem a waka na Ghana fo bebre nso atwomo ano esi ohene ne so ama nkrofo ka akere se daabi ohene ne nsem a wo kan de ebia na ohene no daabi me read the comment atremo so that obehu ne say nya me melodies mano eye nkrofo nsem a wo moka ba yengo ti ohene ne nsem na yetie wi a na medentremu abremo na yenkombra
yenke mpenisa na nsem no bi wo ho a se de na me ka kire yewura IGP no ebi wo ho na sebi yinuan aprucifo no omuntimi entu anamon no e wo ho yie krachi ya wo ka se nka ode no wofase ko disikadu no ebi ana asem no munti mu yie mia ma frɛ no ene na kasa na de okan ne sɛ eye no kre sɛ one obi mrantie bi di ho nkomo sɛ onya kusa kwan na obefa so be sɛ de mpanyimfo ka no sɛ be nya nsɛm a ye kan nyina na ye de ye adwuma akire em sɛ onya no ho na sɛ bio na minima de a ye nuanom apusifui ahwehwɛ afiri crash no ho ana Abesim mane ho if you say BSc pen crash no o se oye na dwene se okoye na akiri se de makan ojaye na apprentice ya na sunsum so mo wo informant bi sunsum na tikọ se onko na on crash ne nko kasa se onimba bi a ye sikaduro ma informant no nso okohu krachi ya me kana semi mpo oso kire no ba bi a sikaduro no ediwo ma one no call ya attempt of far taxi o mo chekere niema a onto informant na wo ono an chekere se kotokora ebisen ekro ne ba mi kan na informant no so wa notify police se ka ye de beko ka number it say ye beko bre say enti a police for no be hia ye ha say ma tu ka na ko na anu cheri na police for no cross wo enti mesra me ka say saa de na e course no de mi hu say sabi ye nuanom ma be boy ho ban no omonso omu difa ye nonko asembisi wo ha beye mfie mienu eni ye wo ha na obi be ka kire yen se krachi bi onso akodi schedule ya bi o hwede ni ma wadane sebi kraman office ka apusi fu be bon man ami ka kire o se sebi ben voka se abo akuntumfi ode misumane ani mani nti o principle yi mon ko fa se ani pan yeden emra mahimfia nanom
etiefo ensemo a eye Abesim hene wo kano I am really confused meka ne kra tremo I am really confused na metia asemo me bisa me ho say was he talking about sa current asemo esi a ye nina ye de yense gu yeti a yesu no ho asem na wo kan na say ya asem ben na you see why I don't want to even doubt me hu ne say ye no ho asem a wo kan say wo call Adum TV one more page social media omo posti ɛwɔ hɔ sɛ wɔhene no respond to asɛm no na minim asɛm deɛ ɔhene no pɛ sɛ wɔkyerɛ ebia na me na mente na ase yie. But if I understand, maybe my understanding is not right or it's not well, but if I understand what ohene no opeso o kana, o se otonsa fresh a branch yi. Na ebia na asem no se nea yen ye hu no na nya saa nete. Na wotonsa fresh a branch yi, e na branch yi e tre mo se ane wonya saa adwumupo no nanso obenu ne hu se de. I don't know. But how is it related to stories now wasanso kan betua so no? Unso wasanso the stories be famous say Assembly sanso sisa omoko hwe atire no na ase police for na informant no muni police for na trese nsem nwuna sorry oya hene ntia ya na mempese me mano betia no but utie nsem a wo hene no wo kana etie for it doesn't entomasum ye ebia mo amutie na entomasum ye dia be entomasum ye and I don't understand why ohene ne kra no we be try say assembly a esi last 2 years ago was say sanso no mo si obi nso no okoye sikedro na ade police for koche ba nanim. I don't understand why he will be relating it to that particular issue, because we yakwa ko hu ni peti no egu ne fridge mu. So this story our henene kano ebia me na menti ase mo fa nche but I'm not the only one. Okwa Adum TV4 post womo eyeye on this particular story meba mebe yi video na tremo na mwankasa mo hu mo ni so se enye me melodies na ebia me ka setia wo hene no. So as I said no, this is Adum TV poster womo make here. I say update on Abesim murder case. I say the chief of Abesim in the Sunyani East of the Bunu region, Berima Kumi Achiao, appeals to stakeholders to take the 28-year-old suspected murderer, Richard Appiah, to a psychiatric hospital. And Ankrofobe pass a comment. Now, some of the comments no be say, Nana, so you knew all this, but you never advised the family to send him for medical care. Now that he has butchered some people, that you are giving this advice, it is too late. He needs to face the law. Into obi katre ohenene se into asemu a ohenene sisi a wo kan nina no emso ohenene nsemu a wo kan ne wo kan ma na kwa akosi pe yo se abrantie na emse na adwen mu kan ntie mfa ne nko hospital rather than say ye chi na tum no ena wo bi tresenti na unim se abrantie na adwen mu kan no we ku ni perians ye be ka se na adwen mu kan obi asemu a wo kan no obi nso say the chief is an accomplice, he must be arrested, by their words they shall be known. Into obi asem a waka ne se wonu de osusu se in some way audio way ya bo atre no onu nipa ko ne susu se wo hene no waka ho bi na e wo se ye chi no. Now there is a play here. Adum TV for ne post this audio ya me boma musisia no. It could be say they didn't post the full audio. Ebia wo mu posti full audio na and full video na nke ye beti wo hene na ase ye, because sometimes nipa kasa ukotwe infinfin no yade ayankrofo bebre o man we mu ama explain atremo eto de bi nipa kasa na ukotwe infinfin na ebia na obema nipa no eluki bad nanso enye saa na nipa ne pa atre. So unless ebia Adum TV for saa de no mo aye, but based on the omo post in the comment eba no, and that's the audio I just played. Obi say, is he defending him or what? The person has murdered 3 kids and the police have used their intelligence to arrest him. You say what? Hey, he committed the murder before the police came in. No. Into obi nso nte ohene na semo a walk and say ohene nsemo a walking, and that was exactly how I felt. I was like into ohene nsemo a walk and the krakra ne saying obi akwa akoku nipa asemo ne wo se wo kan ase wo defend nipa kro ni bi what you say. So I mean, for me, I'm very happy say I am not the only person getting this particular feeling after listening to Ohene no. A lot of Ghanaians are also getting this same feeling. I say, so if they realize he has a psychological problem, should he be allowed to stay in the community or what? Even the mad people on the street cry, don't kill people and feed on them. Nana, this your advice is out of context. Do you know the trauma the deceased families will be going through? Those who live by the sword shall die by the sword. In the problem with this country, people who are supposed to be interested in ensuring that people are duly punished for wrongdoing rather appear to be condoning criminalities and impunities and impunities. Sad. Nti obi say Ghana, how ba kwa ye wone say, omo e wo say wo mu gina na embra no eye adwuma no omumom obi kodi bone a no motane pakro n'echi. And I mean, obviously the person is otie wo hene na asem na woka. I say, why see you as a chief of a land? Listen to what you are saying. Nana Berima, please, this is not a matter of taking the killer to psychiatric hospital. Moses' law must work. That is what you are supposed to say. I say the chief should be invited by the CID for interrogation because what he's saying doesn't make sense to me. So this is the second person I watch say, ebi ana wo hene ne kra no nim hu bibi nti police phone konko fa no obi asem a wo ka no. I say that guy is in business. I believe that. I say, see what this chief is talking about. They should do the same to him instead of the justice to be. Then you are here trying to support this. I say, some of these chiefs, so who did the chief? I say, who did the chief? The guy, change of attitude. Maybe he's part of it. Brofono. Obviously, why do we associate any form of murder to mental problem? The chief is saying they should take the guy to psychiatric hospital. Hey, Ghana. Or say, only God knows how many people this guy has killed. This man should shut up before the law starts to deal with him. Or say, master, what psychiatric hospital? Why? Didn't you guys send him there? Now that he has to pay for what he has done, is this the best excuse you can tell? So a lot of Ghanaians not happy with the chief. Or see, the chief himself is an accomplice. He should be investigated. Or see, Nana, you're a suspect. The police have to investigate you. So a lot of people not happy with the chief.